Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In this session, we will see how to install and configure Typo3 CMS on Fedora 34. Typo3 is a free and open source content management system based on PHP and MySQL. This system can utilize HTTP servers such as Apache and IIS. Now I am going to check the OS version. Use this following command. This is OS version Fedora 34, and then I am going to install Typo3 CMS by using wget command. Package downloaded. Now I am going to extract this downloaded package. Use this following command. Now I am going to move the package to this directory location. Use this following command. And then I'm going to change directory to this location. Here I am going to create one file. Use this following command. And then list the file. Now I'm going to change the htaccess file name by using the following command. Now I'm going to give owner name and group name for this directory. Use this following command. And then I'm going to give permission for this directory. And then I'm going to open PHP configuration file. Use this following command. And here search this maximum input. Here give the value 1500 and remove this, and again search max execution. Change this value to 40, then save and exit. And then I'm going to open virtual host configuration file. Use this following command. Create this configuration, then save and exit. And then open the host entry file. Here make the host entry, enter your IP and domain name here. Then save and exit. Restart the Apache service by using the following command. Then go to the browser. Here search your domain name. Click here. Enter your database detail here. I already created database. Your DB username and password. Continue. Select typo and continue. Here create your admin credentials. Continue. Click here. Enter your admin credential. This is the dashboard page bar Typo3 CMS. With this process of installing Typo3 CMS on Fedora 34 comes to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.